Good afternoon, guys. We're in for a treat today. Well, mainly me, because she's doing it for me.
Yes.
This is a very healthy meal that she does me to try and get my weight down. But she doesn't do it enough. She knows I like manok, chicken.
I will show you guys how to cook It's called Tinolang manok. It's a Filipino dish.
Tilong manaluk.
Tinolang manok.
Tilolang.
Whatever, just forget about that.
What the? Just patience, babe. See how she's got no patience with me, guys.
Tinolang manok.
Tinolang maluk.
Oh, you got it.
Tinolang manok.
So I will show you guys I will show you guys how to cook Tinolang manok and also to you. So if I die, you can cook yourself.
Seriously,
right?
if you don't stop saying that, you will be dying sooner than you think.
Because you don't know how to cook, right?
What
just
with the
only
blood,
you know
the blood coughing up and everything.
Just fry egg, just fry the hot dog. That's
Yeah,
it.
I got a bat though, guys, because I smashed an egg over her head on her birthday. Was she happy? Were you happy,
Of
babe?
course not, because
She was mad at me for, well, not for ages, for about 10 minutes, and then she started laughing
my
about
hair is
it.
very long. It's hard to wash.
So,
It's you. I will do that. So
yeah, whatever.
just
So what you doing now, babe? You're heating
Oil.
up some oil.
yeah.
It's just a little bit of oil. There's not much in there, is there?
Yes, not all, just a little.
Now, what's the benefit to us foreigners eating this?
Healthy.
It's healthy.
Manok, yeah. And then I took as well the skin because Chris he don't like to eat the skin.
No.
So I took it out the skin.
And you shouldn't eat the skin anyway, guys, especially if you're trying to lose weight.
You can add as well malunggay there if you want. It's gonna be more healthy.
Malunggay, yeah.
You want to put
So you
in-
cook the malunggay,
No, yeah.
obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could, but not now because we'll have to break from cooking it, won't we?
No, it should be.
Now, there's a little packet of something, guys, in the Philippines called magic sarap.
Sarap. I have here.
Do not eat anything that has that stuff in it because it will kill you. If you read what it's got in on the back, you'll die. I mean, not
They
literally,
said
but you
it's
know
gonna
what?
be more
It's
tasty.
yeah,
It's gonna be more taste and aroma.
yeah. It's not good.
Sarap.
It's not good. So please, guys, try to avoid any food with
I
that
put
in
this,
it.
guys, for that. Every time I cook tinola, I put here. I put this, but I hide to put it.
Yeah, right.
So the
See,
ingredients. So
she's slying it.
no, I did not put the.
Better
Just
not.
only salt. It's enough, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
we have nor cubes to make it tasty.
So that's an all cube.
It's chicken.
That's ginger, is it?
Yes, and this one is the onion, and this one is
That's the onion.
garlic.
Babe. That's garlic.
This is garlic. This is the onion, and then we have a salt,
Ooh.
and this one is sayote. It's called
Sayote. I like
Yeah,
that.
Sayote.
It's nice.
And then pepper, black pepper. We need to put a black pepper.
Black
there.
pepper.
Yes.
Now, this, guys, is the girl that when I met her, she says, can we go out to eat because I can't cook? And I feel shy to cook in case you don't like it. I got all that.
So let's put the oil.
Now, what was it you cooked the other day and your dad couldn't believe you'd cooked it? What was that you cooked?
The cake.
Oh, that cake. Yeah, she did a lovely cake. Well, I guess it's lovely. I didn't taste it.
Yeah, you tried that before.
Did I?
Yeah, you like it as well.
Not when you cooked it, though, did you?
Yes.
Did I?
You try it. Yeah.
God.
And Matt,
Well, I've been to sleep
Matt
since then.
as well. He wants something like that.
Hmm?
So every time we have a live stream, Matt always, Mel, where's my cake?
Yeah. And can we just say, guys, somebody sent us a pizza the other day, 2 massive family pizzas,
And there's
lasagna, Coca-Cola, garlic bread, and we don't know who sent it. He's not he or
did
she
not message.
has not messaged
Yeah.
us. We want to thank you, but
It's,
we can't.
It's
He sent it when we were on the live feed,
stream.
live stream. Yeah.
Who you are? Thank you so much.
Yeah. And I want to say hi to Julia. She's a patron and she's
Hi.
come on our live stream and she was a little bit concerned that we were ignoring her the other day, but we weren't, Julia. We probably just missed it. We're very sorry, and we'll try to look out for you on the next live stream. The next live stream is going to be Saturday, guys. This video should be posted by then, but if not, Sunday. So every Saturday and Sunday, guys, there's a live stream.
Only weekends.
Yeah.
So no work, right?
So the US live stream we do about 5 o'clock.
Did you watch what I'm doing?
I am, yes, I am. I do apologise, Mummy.
You don't forget.
So you've put the garlic and the onion in, and the ginger.
Yeah.
And how long do you fry that?
When it's color brown now.
When it's colour brown.
Just wait.
Well, we can't wait till it's colour brown, babe. This is where we switch it off and then come back when it's colour brown, yeah? I love the smell of garlic.
Yeah.
It's starting to brown now, babe.
After that, we're gonna put the chicken.
Alright.
Just fry it a little.
Now, Mel's gone and got some malungai, look, some fresh malungai. But we don't put that into last, do we, Mel?
We're gonna put that at the last.
Right, so you don't fry it, you just put it in the water,
boiling.
let it boil. So we get free chicken, don't we, babe?
Don't say good.
It's a secret. It's a secret, babe. How we get the chicken. Secret.
Other day when I grill the chicken,
Yeah.
he knows that chicken is for him. Oh, you steal chicken? No, not. Because you know how to cut.
Because of how it's cut.
Yeah.
Well. We made a lovely marinade, didn't we, for that chicken? And it was beautiful, guys. It should have been barbecue. Oh, you did. You barbecued it, didn't it? You put it on some charcoal.
Yeah.
And it was absolutely beautiful.
Let's wait 3 minutes when it's color brown. Chicken.
Did I tell you what my 2 wives died of?
No, why?
Well, I did. I told you, didn't I? My first wife died of eating poisoned mushrooms.
And this the second one.
Well, she died of a broken skull.
What?
Because she wouldn't eat the mushrooms.
Yeah, I got it. I got that joke. It's a joke.
Of course it's a joke. I didn't kill me wives. My God.
Yeah, I know it. It's the first time that I know the joke.
Yeah, but you weren't laughing very much, were you? My God. So anyway, guys, as well, I want to explain the the video that we put out where we're sitting in the front room talking about trying to get some more subscribers.
Uy, so this,
There's an algorithm, and how I've worded the title, the YouTube algorithm things are supposed to pick it up and promote the video.
It's nice. Lovely.
Look at that.
Is it dark?
Yeah. Nice.
Smell good, right?
Smells beautiful.
Because of the ginger, make it down. So after that, you're gonna put some water.
Just to give you some information, guys, my video's just shut down on its own again. The battery's fully charged. I've tried everything. I've tried a new memory card in it. Somebody suggested it may be the memory card if you've used it a lot. I knew it wasn't, but you've got to give it a try, haven't you? So we bought a new memory card for about 1,200 pesos, and
So you're gonna use
it's not working.
not
So
on the top, the water.
yeah. So how much water are you putting in it, babe? Is it just a little bit at a time or what?
It depends. It depends if you want more
Soup?
Yeah.
Or as you like to call it, soap.
Soup. Soap.
She says, do you want me to make you some soap? I says, no, I've got some soap, thank you. She says, well, you're hungry, aren't you? Oh, I said, you mean soup? Oh right, yeah, sure.
It depends, guys, if how many water you put it.
It depends on what? On how much soup you want.
Yeah,
But if you've only got like,
yeah.
what is there? About 4 pieces of chicken.
2,
There's,
4, 7 pieces.
well, yeah, but the main pieces are.
Because if example, if there's only 2, you don't need to put a lot of water there.
No, well, that's what I'm saying. But if there's like 4 people gonna have it,
Yeah. It depends.
then you want a little bit more soap,
Yeah.
don't you?
So let's wait to be. Let it.
So it's got to go on the boil,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna add the, what's it called?
Sayote.
What?
Sayote. It lasts.
Sayote,
It's gonna be last, and then
Yeah.
this one as well.
and then the malunggay. So that's
Yeah.
going to go in last.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.